wiki.ezvid.com. Search Ezvid Wiki before you decide. Ezvid presents the 10 best drum thrones. Let's get started with the list. Starting off our list at number 10. Sometimes you just want to focus on pounding the skins into oblivion and not worry about physical comfort. The Tama ergo-rider will give you the opportunity to do exactly that, as it's a hybrid of a round and saddle seat with a padded backrest for extra lumbar support. It's got a very low center of gravity and a two-piece locking system. However, it is too stiff for some users. At number 9, the Ahead spinal-g is quite possibly one of the more innovative models out there. It was designed by a chiropractor who invented the term ergokinetics, which focuses on offering support for the human body while it's moving. It's a perfect choice for marathon sessions. It's equipped with a spring-balanced cushion and reduces pressure on the tailbone, but it may be too pricey for beginners. Coming in at number 8 on our list. For the true professional with some cash to spare, the Drum Workshop CP9120AL really can't be beat. The hydraulic height adjustment helps add a little extra oomph during performances and allows for incremental positioning if you need to change things up on the fly. It's equipped with a dual foam track to top and a quad leg folding base. However, it can be slightly noisy. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for Drum Thrones, or simply click beneath this video. At number 7, solid yet pliable, the roc-n-soc original saddle makes you sit upright, which is something those of us with poor posture will surely appreciate. After all, it's pretty difficult to ride the cymbals and pound the toms if you can't even raise your arms or crane your neck. It features paneling that helps dissipate sweat and threaded holes for an optional backrest, but the covering may rip over time. Moving up our list to number 6. Like the name suggests, the Gibraltar Softly will take it easy on your keister. The 5-inch thick surface is covered with an outer layer of Cordura fabric, so it's extremely forgiving and durable, and highly resistant to abrasions and snags. It assembles quickly and won't wobble during use. However, it takes a bit to break it in. Halfway up our list at number 5. The Drum Workshop DWCP3100 is one of the better options if you're a down and dirty type. There's not much in the way of bells and whistles, it's just a sturdy and low-priced piece of equipment that'll withstand anything you throw at it. It features a steel tripod base and a dense foam cushion, and it doesn't creak or squeal when rotated. At number 4, whether you're performing on a world tour or impressing friends in your basement, the Gibraltar 9608 will provide the support you need. The locking mechanism is strong enough that it'll stay in place no matter how much you groove during a solo. It's made with a breathable nylon fabric and double-braced legs. It's ideal for use with double pedals. Nearing the top of our list at number 3, the roc-n-soc Nitro throne is made with comfort in mind. The nitrogen gas shock absorber cuts down on fatigue, and the seat is designed to reduce strain on your back. The wide range of height adjustability ensures that you'll find a setting that fits your playing style. This one's available in multiple colors and suitable for extended sessions. It's extremely long-lasting too. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for Drum Thrones, or simply click beneath this video. At number 2, if you're the gigging type, the Drum Workshop DT700 should be added to your arsenal. Small and lightweight, it'll comfortably fit in the back of a trunk that's already jammed up with the rest of your band's equipment. Be sure to keep in mind that it doesn't swivel though. It's got rugged legs with large rubber feet and is a good choice for children. It breaks down for easy storage. And taking the top spot on our list, the Gibraltar 6608 is an excellent option for beginners and may even satisfy intermediate musicians who are in the market for a simpler setup. It's an attractive no-frills option and won't set you back too much if you ultimately decide that you're more of an axe man. It boasts a motorcycle-style vinyl seat and a high weight capacity. This one's great for taller players. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for Drum Thrones, or simply click beneath this video.